What better sight could there be in the morning?
Morning smargiousness. What a treat.
Right, what are you doing here? I want you to come out. Rightio, come on. Open the gate. Come on. There's a boy. I reckon that off front being a bit long's making him walk a bit like that too.
6 years ago, we were advised to put Shani down because he had severe laminitis. 5 years ago, we were advised the same, and 4 years ago. Well, he's got absolutely terrible feet, but there's nothing wrong with the way he's walking now. Yes, I know, a terrible waste of energy. Could have been utilised, I guess, by somebody.